Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download EV charging data to InfluxDB. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download EV charging data to InfluxDB, start by ensuring you have the necessary tools installed on your system. You will need InfluxDB, a suitable programming environment, and access to your EV charging data source. Begin by downloading and installing InfluxDB if you haven't done so already. You can find the latest version of InfluxDB on the official website. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. Once installed, launch InfluxDB and open a terminal window to interact with it. Next, you need to identify your EV charging data source. This could be an API, a CSV file, or any other data format. If using an API, consult the documentation to understand the authentication and request structure. For CSV files, make sure you know the location of the file on your system. Now, let's establish a connection to your InfluxDB instance. Use the InfluxDB command line interface to create a new database for your charging data. Execute the command, create database ev_charging_data. This will set up a dedicated space for your incoming data. Now, format your EV charging data to match InfluxDB's line protocol. This protocol allows you to write data in a textual form to the database. If you are fetching data from an API, write a script to extract the required data points. For instance, include fields like timestamp, charger ID, energy consumed, and charging duration. Once you have your data ready, it's time to insert it into InfluxDB. You can use a library like InfluxDB Python or Node-Influx to interact with the database programmatically. Install the library through your package manager. For example, in Python, run pip install InfluxDB. Begin writing your script to push data into InfluxDB. Set up a connection using your database credentials. Use the right API to send your formatted data to the ev_charging_data database you created earlier. After pushing the data, query InfluxDB to verify that your data was inserted correctly. You can do this by executing a simple select statement. For example, select asterisk from your underscore measurement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.